We are going to Golden West Cafe. I think hubby, he's like waiting for me. All right, come on. Look how cute this cup is. That is so cute. Give me this cup, like seriously. Can you buy me this cup? Yeah. Like right now, today?
What did I just tell you before we got this?
I do not care.
So we're in Golden West. We're grabbing some brunch. She's gonna get drummies like she always gets. I mean, not drummies, but cauliflower. I'm gonna grab me some. I don't know yet. So let me put this camera down and check it. I don't know if y'all heard that, but she just said get the camera out of her chair. She swear that like she been doing this. She just getting started. Like I told her everything she know, and she like, oh, get the camera out of my shot.
Why you always gotta do that?
Listen.
I didn't know he was poor.
We got these Beyond Nachos. I never even knew this was a thing here at Golden West. I'm about to try it.
It smells so good. Like, oh my god, I might be wrong.
Yesterday you said my food stunk.
No, that pizza was not.
My channel is a no profanity channel, baby.
I don't give a
It'll be edited out. You're just making me work harder now.
hard work ain't never hurt nobody. I just got chips and guac. Oh, I want a side. Ask them for a side of
Salsa?
Yeah, I need you, bro.
So look, it's absolutely good. The nacho, try this. The sauce. Just nacho cheese sauce.
That's me out.
I'm about to say 2020, she trying things. Done.
That's what happens when you don't have your wife's back. You can't get her salsa. She can't eat her food with the way she don't try to crack, you know. When you don't have your wife's back and order her salsa for her, she can't enjoy her meal.
Try to crowd out. I don't know why she want to OD on the salsa. The guac is good by
Did
itself.
I ask you why you mind your business?
But we're grubbing good. Like it's some good food, right?
When the rest of my food comes out, I'll let you know.
What else you get? Oh, I thought she was gonna say some smart ass stuff like they'll see you when the food comes out.
Thank you.
So Amy J's here. She's trying blue cheese. Like I'm surprised. Like vegan blue cheese. She never used to try this type of stuff. I don't know what got her out of shell.
2020.
She trying new things for the 2020, I guess. Go ahead, let me see.
I don't think that's blue cheese, but
It is blue cheese. No, this blue cheese or ranch?
ranch.
All right.
Told you.
You were right. You were right. Yeah, we're fine though. Thanks.
Get off my face.
Nah, go ahead. Let me see you try it. Come on, son. So the reason that's so funny is we would come here all the time and she would never ever try it.
I was like 100%. I don't even know. I just tried it. Like we didn't talk about it or anything. I don't know why I'm like into trying new stuff now.
New year, new her.
No, New Year, no fear. Yeah, brunch was really good. Golden West Cafe is where we went. We used to go there all the time. I love it. I always do. I get the same exact thing, but it's always good. So you know, get what you know. Now we're about to go try this other little place out that I really want to put on my vlog. So you guys will see that later on. Bye.